In this ManyChat template tour, I'm going to show you a messenger bot for personal trainers. Now, this messenger bot is going to get people to opt in by downloading your free PDF download and video walkthrough of that PDF, and then you're going to get their email address and their phone number. Now, this template also comes with two growth tools. It comes with the Facebook Ads JSON growth tool, and it comes with the Messenger Ref URL growth tool. So if you'd like to get this template, all you got to do is head over to bit.ly/mctemplates. That's bit.ly/mctemplates, and you can browse all the different templates that we offer. Or if you're looking for just this one, then it's called Personal Trainers. Look for Lead Magnet for Personal Trainers around that area. If you have not yet gotten our free ManyChat cheat sheet, it's a PDF and a video walkthrough, then head over to bit.ly/mccheatsheet. That's bit.ly/mccheatsheet. It's going to teach you the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have. So now let's go ahead and jump into this template tour. All right, so the very first message that they receive is going to be this one right here. We're in the growth tool section on the back end of ManyChat, and it says, hey, you ready to get our guide and video to lose 30 pounds in 30 days, plus a free 30-minute training session? Click the button below to get started now. So then they're going to click on yes, I'm ready, and it is going to open up this flow. Now this is the first message of the flow that they're going to be sent. It says, great. First, the PDF guide. Click the button below now to download the PDF. So they're going to click on that. It's going to download for them, and then it's going to say, do you also want the video version? All you need to do is give us your email address and we'll send you the video version right away. So these little things right here are typing delays. You can easily change the typing delay from being 5 seconds to 20 seconds to 3 seconds, whatever you want the typing delay to be. Now when they click on yes, get the video, it's going to send them this message right here saying, awesome, what's your email address? They're going to fill in their email address, and then the next message is going to say, perfect. Be sure to check your email inbox in the next few minutes if you don't see it. Now for your 30-minute training session, what is your best phone number to reach you at so we can set up a good time to work out together? And then they're going to put in their phone number. A tag is going to be added called name, number, and email. And that is what's going to trigger Zapier, a third-party software, to pull that information out of ManyChat and send it over to multiple different places. It could send it to a Google spreadsheet. It could send it to you in an email notifying you that a new lead just came in. It could send it to your CRM. It could send it to a lot of different places. Now this template comes with multiple tutorial videos showing you how to set all that up inside Zapier, as well as how to actually make changes and set this up if you need to make any changes for your actual business. So after they give you your phone number, then you're just going to give them this confirmation message right here saying, great, you're all set. Be on the lookout for a call or text from me. Have an amazing day. And that is it for this template. Again, if you want to get this template, head over to bit.ly/mctemplates. That's bit.ly/mctemplates. If you haven't yet gotten our free ManyChat cheat sheet and video walkthrough, then head over to bit.ly/mccheatsheet. Again, that's bit.ly/mccheatsheet. You got to make sure that you're signed into Facebook Messenger because we're going to send it to you in a Facebook message. And you got to type in the word learn once that window pops open. Just type in the word learn, and that'll guarantee you access to the free cheat sheet. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.